Hindi na raw matim ng ilang celebrities ang ilang below-the-belt na komento ng ilang netizens. Pero kung tatanungin ang eksperto, dapat bang patulan o deadmahin na lang ang bashers? Yan sa part 2 ng ating report. Tanggap na ng ilang artista ang bashers.
Ganun talaga, you choose your battles.
I hope that netizens will learn that it's not okay to bash.
Pero ang The Voice coach at Tony Award-winning performer na si Lea Salonga nanindigan na hindi siya papayag magpaapi sa abusadong netizens.
There are some na talagang kailangan mo rin sagutin kasi hindi dapat pumayag na ganun eh. It's like, I'm sorry, but I do not deserve this kind of treatment. I do not deserve this kind of blatant disrespect. Never mind my achievements, never mind that I've been in this business for however long. Tao ako. Respetuhin na lang ako bilang tao. Ganun na lang.
Pero ayon sa sociologist na si Brother Clifford Zurita, may mga pagkakataon na dapat tumahimik na lang ang artista at huwag patulan ang bashers.
There are moments that you have to learn when to balance. There are moments na pwedeng wag mo nang patulan kasi mababaw na naman yung usapin. Ang tamang pagdideal sa sitwasyon ng pagre-react sa social media ay according to the level of conflict, to the level of the problem.
Minsan raw kasi KSP o kulang sa pansin ang bashers at gustong magpasikat.
Bastos is bastos, talagang hindi talaga dapat siya sapagkat you have to give a comment na medyo naman may konting level ng paggalang. Ikaw yung celebrity, of course, you should learn a little bit of, na don't stoop down to their level. Pinapasikat mo lang siya, it attracts more people to be part of a discussion proper. And then it inflames the whole thing na minsan you cannot control anymore.
Payo niya sa mga celebrities bago mag-react, dapat maging mapanuri sa kung ano lang ang dapat sagutin.
Don't react at the height of your emotion. Let your emotion subside, seek the counsel of people, then react. Yung reaction mo magiging mas maayos to make sure that your statement is dignified, fitted to you as a public personality.
Payo pa ni Brother Clifford, bilang netizens at fans, dapat maging responsable sa mga binibitawang komento. Hindi rin dapat mawala ang respeto at maging sensitibo sa damdamin ng iba dahil lahat naman tayo, tao lang, may emosyon at nasasaktan rin.